My first day in high school. I feel nervous when I'm in the first day of high school because I don't have friends yet here in the school. And I'm scared what if no one to be my friend. And I'm scared too. What if teacher should I have? But when the day passed, I meet new friends, and that day is one of the happiest day of my life.
My memorable vacation is when I'm with my family. We go at Bataan Beach that time, where we see the beautiful blue water sea, where the sand looks like the sand in the Boracay. I love the moment when I'm walking then with my brother beside the sea. When having a funny conversation, while making conversation, we happily watching the birds flying and see the beautiful hills around us. We also take pictures to treasure our happy memories there. After that, we go in the sea and sing.
My significant family event is to spend my Christmas with my whole family and to celebrate the family reunion with my relatives. We have been planning for a long time, and finally the day is come this day. I'm very happy and enjoyable because I'm with my family. We're happy eating, making conversation, and playing games together. We enjoy every minute, every hour together.
My day of graduation. This day is a special day for me because this is the day where my high school life is end with my friends, teachers, or what we call this barkadas. This is the happiest day of my high school life because at last I made it. I'm going to the next stage of my life, my college life. I'm a little bit sad because this is the last day with my friends and with my school here who study somewhere far from us. I can't help myself to cry because of the mixed emotion that I feel in my heart. I know I'm happy because soon I'm going to be successful like my teachers. I'm going to be successful with my friends. I'm going to miss my friends, my teachers, and my school. But this is so happy moment because I know this is an instrument of God to be a good person.
First of all, I scan the things that I need to write, especially the pointers to review. Then, I always woke up early in the morning to prepare my stuff. For me to start to review. Then after that, I go to school to review more lessons, to scan all the things that I need, and especially before I pray, first of all, I pray to God to guide me for the exams. It will be more successful, especially for me to attain in higher grades.